Dear student, today again I will explain some more thoughts question in this topic, that is rational number part 7. Okay, so you had already remember that if there is irrational number in the denominator, we have to first convert it by multiplying with rationalizing factor. If a plus b is in the denominator, then rationalizing factor will be a minus b, so that their product will be a square minus b square. So in this concept, and there are various algebraic formula that is also used. So today also I will discuss some, your topic will be your important questions. Important questions that I will solve for you. Okay. Now, okay, you have got it. Should I remove the blackboard, because for writing the question I will have to get the space. Okay, your first question for today is, let us see, your first question is, say, question is if E equals 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2 and B equals 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2. Your question is find a square plus b square. Number 1 is a square plus b square. Number 2, a cube plus b cube. This is your question. So definitely this type of question is important. Let me see what we have to do. So your solution, first is you have to write given E equals 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. So you see denominator is an irrational number. To make it rational, a plus b is given, so you have to multiply with both numerator and denominator by the same value. So that will be 3 minus 2 root 2 in the numerator, 3 minus 2 root 2 in the denominator. So here see in the denominator now, a plus b into a minus b. Then, and in the numerator it is your 3 minus 2 root 2, and in the denominator this will be 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. Okay, then the value will be your 3 minus 2 root 2, and in the denominator it is 9 minus square of 2 is 4 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. This is your 8. So the final answer is 3 minus 2 root 2. This is for A. Similarly for B also. B is also 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2. So here your rationalizing factor will be A plus B. That means you have to multiply with both numerator and denominator. 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2. So after multiplication, what you will see, 1 into 3 plus root 2. In the numerator it is 3 plus 2 root 2. And in the denominator it is 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. What will happen? Then in the numerator it is 3 plus 2 root 2, and in the denominator it is 9 minus 8, so this is your 1. So 3 plus 2 root 2 is the answer of the final simplest value of A and simplest value of B. Now for finding, first question is A cube plus B cube. Now I have to remove it. Okay, you have written. So for getting space, I have to remove it. You keep in mind the question. So now first question is your a cube plus a square is b square. You know, for a square plus b square, as far as formula of algebra is concerned, this is your a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Then that you have already, this formula you know very well from class 7. So now you have to add, putting the value of a. What is the simplest value of a? It is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 root 2. This is your a. And b is your 3 plus 2 root 2. Here the b is your 3 plus 2 root 2. So this is the value of your a plus b, and minus 2 into, again you have to write the value of a is your, for space, let me write it from the q step left here. This is your a square plus b square. Here a plus b whole square, that is 3. A is your 3 minus 2 root 2 plus b is your 3 plus 2 root 2. This is your 3 plus 2 root 2, bracket close. This is for a, this is for b. And put a square, minus 2 into is your 3 minus 2 root 2 and b is your 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay. Now for space I have to remove all these. You see, this plus 2 root 2 and 2 root 2 cancel each other. 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is your 6 square minus 2. Again, this product will be a minus b into a plus b. So here a is 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. So that means this is your 6, 36 minus 2 into, this is your 9 minus, this is your 8. So that is your 36 minus 2 into 1. So this will be your 30. So this is your 36 minus 2 is your 34. 34 is your answer for first question, a square plus b square. Now for second question, a cube plus b cube. What you will do? You again see, this is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. You apply this formula. Okay, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, then you will get a cube plus b cube. That you have already studied, I think so. Then you put the value. Right now you have seen that a plus b is your 6. So that means this is your 6 square. A plus b, you have got a plus b. Then 3 plus 3 is your 6. This is your value of a plus b, 6. Then this is your 6 cube. A plus b whole cube is 6 cube. Minus 3 into in AB, the product of A and B is what? A is 3, a square minus b square, that is 9 minus 8, that is 1. So this value is your 1. So A into B is your 1. Plus, again into A plus B. A plus B is your what? 6 into 6. So that means what will be the final answer? 6 into 6 into 6. So 36 into 6. This is your 216 minus 18. Because 6, 3, 18. So what will be the final answer? Final answer is your 8 and 9, 1. 198. Final answer is your 198. This is your final answer. So you have got it. Should I remove for the next question? Okay. This question will help you to solve various problems related to this chapter. So in this chapter, you will see for the next question, if suppose your question number 2, this is also one of the tricky question. Find A and B. Find A and B. When find A and B when find A and B if square root of 5 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 3 and this is 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 equals A minus B root 50. Suppose this is your question. Now what you will do? You have to, because there is nothing in the denominator. So your first target is to rationalize the denominator in this question. So in your solution, you have to again write given square root of 5 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 equals A minus B root 15. So you rationalize the denominator. Okay. So you have to put implied sign because there is equal in between. So this is your root 5 plus root 3 in the numerator. In the denominator it is A minus B. So 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is to be multiplied with 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Okay? Okay. Then again in the numerator also you have to multiply 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. Bracket close. And the right side you have to write A minus B root 15. Okay? After simplification, in the denominator what you will get? This is your 2 root 5 whole square minus 3 root 3 whole square. And in the numerator you have to multiply root 5 plus root 3 into 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. You have to open the bracket. So root 5 into 2 root 5 is 2. So this is your root 5 into 2 root 5 and then minus root 5 into 3 root 3. So root 5 is multiplied with both these. Then again put a plus sign, root 3 into 2 root 5, then root minus 3 root 3 into root 3. And in the right side it is A minus B root 15. Okay, for space I have to remove. Okay, I have to get space. So you see, root 5 into 2 root 5 is, root 5 into root 5 is 5. So 2 into 5. This is your, put an implied sign. This is your 2 into 5. So, and chalk is almost going to finish. So this is 2, root 5 into root 5, 5 and 2. Then this part will be root 5 into root 3 is root 15. So this is your minus 3 root 15. Okay, and this part is again root 3 and root 5 is root 15 into 2. So this is your plus 2 root 15. Okay, this is your 2 root 15. Put plus sign, and this is your 3 root 15. And this part is root 3, 3, and 3, root 3 into root 3, 3. And minus 3 means this is minus 9. Okay, and now in the denominator, this is 2 square is 4 and root 5 into root 5 is 5. So 4 into 5 is your 20. So in the denominator it is 20 minus here 339 into 3 is your 27. So root 3 is your 3 and this 3 and 339. So 9 into 3 is your 27. Or here 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4 and root 5 into root 5 is 5. So 4, 5 is your 20. Here 3 square is 9 and root 3 into 3 is 3. 9 into 3 is 27. And in the right side, it will be your a minus b root 15. Okay. Now, again put your implied sign. In the denominator, it is minus 7. And in the numerator, it is 10. And then minus 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15 is only minus root 15. 10 and this is your minus 9. And here it is a minus b root 15. Okay, you have got. Now I have to remove it. So 10 minus 9 is your 1 minus root 15 divided by minus 7 equal a minus b root 15. So now you multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1 to make this positive. So minus 7 into minus 1 and this is your 1 minus root 15 into minus 1. So this will be your a minus b root 15. What will happen? Denominator become now positive. That is your 7. And in the numerator, minus 1 with minus 15 is your plus 15 and minus 1 into plus 1 is your minus 1. So minus 1 plus square root of 15 is your a minus b root 15. You have got it? Okay. So because of the space, I will have to again remove this. Now you make these into two fractions. That is 1 by 7 plus root 15 by 7. So here this will be equal to a minus b root 15. So now you write by comparing both sides. By comparing both sides. That means this value must be equal to your a. By comparing both sides, a will be your minus 1 by 7. And if you will compare this value with this, that means I have to remove it. That means your minus b square root of 15 equal your square root of 15 by 7. Okay, then b equal what? B equal means this root 15 cancel, and in the numerator it is 1. So b will be equal to minus 1 by 7. B is your minus 1 by 7. Then only your A is your minus 1 by 7 and B is also minus 1 by 7. So now it is over. Okay, this much is sufficient for today. Again we will see the next chapter for tomorrow. Okay, bye.